everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today let's make 2-in-1 batter for soft spongy idlis and crisp dosas. This is my grandmother's never fail recipe. I'll be using rice flour instead of rice for this recipe. Let's start. For this recipe we'll need 1 cup of urud dal, 2 teaspoons fenugreek seeds, 3 cups of rice flour, and half a cup of cooked rice. Wash 1 cup of urud dal very well or until water runs clear. Soak it for 3 to 4 hours with 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds. The longer you soak the dal, the better results you'll get. Friends, if you do not want to use rice flour, then you can go ahead and wash 4 cups of rice and soak it for 4 to 6 hours. Dal and fenugreek seeds are soaked very well. Add enough water and blend them together with cooked rice until very smooth. Friends, if you'll be using rice instead of rice flour, then grind soaked urud dal and fenugreek together to fine consistency. Next, blend rice until very smooth. Urud dal, cooked rice and fenugreek seeds are blended very well. Transfer it to a steel pot. If you'll be using your instant pot to ferment the batter, then transfer this batter to a steel pot of your instant pot. Add 3 cups of rice flour to the blended mix. If you'll be using rice, then add in the blended rice in this batter and give it a mix. Add 2 cups of water or as needed to form a pourable consistency batter. This batter looks very thick. I'm going to go ahead and add in 1 more cup of water. Please use your hands to mix this batter. Mixing by hands help in fermentation process. The consistency of the batter looks good. This is ready to be fermented. Cover a lid and place it in a warm place for about 10 to 12 hours. If you'll be using an instant pot, then cover the pot with a glass lid. Please do not use the regular instant pot lid because the batter may overflow and that can lock the lid. Now press the yogurt button on an instant pot. Increase the time to 10 to 12 hours. Fermentation process depends on where you live. If you live in a warm place, then the fermentation process may take only 6 to 7 hours. If you live in cool places, then it will take longer. It's been 10 hours and the batter is fermented. It's very fluffy and airy. Let's start making idlis first. Mix the batter very well. Add water in your steamer and place it on the stove on medium-high heat. Transfer about 2 cups of batter in a bowl. Add about a teaspoon of salt or to taste. Give it a good mix. Grease idli plates with oil and then fill them up with the batter. Tap the idli plates gently. Once the water starts boiling in the steamer, carefully place the idli plates in the steamer. Close the lid. Steam for 8 to 10 minutes on medium-high heat. Soft and spongy idlis are ready. Carefully take out idlis out of the plate. Serve with ghee, coconut chutney, sambar and idli powders. Let's make dosa now. To a cup of fermented batter, add quarter cup of water and quarter teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix. Consistency of the batter should be free flowing. Heat a very well seasoned pan or a griddle on medium high heat. Sprinkle little water to lower the temperature of the pan. Once the water evaporates, pour a ladle or two full of batter in the center of the pan. Immediately begin to spread it evenly, starting from the center in a circular way to make a thin crepe. Reduce the flame to medium-low. Drizzle little ghee. Once this turns golden brown and starts leaving the sides of the pan, this will be ready to be served. This recipe does not require the dosa to be flipped and cooked. Serve this with chutney, potato masala, or any of your favorite curry. Spongy idli, crispy dosa is ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.